Hello everyone, welcome back to Fluent English UK. We're really happy to have you here with us again. I'm Mary, and this is our English Conversation podcast, where you can learn English in a fun and natural way. And of course, I'm here with my friend Alex. Alex, how are you today?
Hey Mary! I'm doing great today, thank you. And hello to everyone listening to us right now. Welcome back to Fluent English UK. We're really excited to have you here learning English with us. Mary, today's topic is actually something fun and relaxing.
Oh, really? That sounds nice already. So, what are we talking about today? Is it something easy or something we can all relate to?
Yes, exactly. It's something we all love. Today, we're talking about weekend plans. You know, what we like to do when we have free time.
Oh, I love this topic. Weekends are my favourite time of the week. And, dear listeners, while you're listening to us, think about your own weekend plans.
Oh, yes. And now we actually have a fun question for everyone listening right now. All right, dear listeners, think about this for a moment. Are you an early bird? Or do you prefer to sleep a little longer on weekends? Come on, be honest. And try to answer in English. Even a simple answer is perfect.
Yes, be honest. Do you make plans and actually follow them? Or do you change everything at the last minute?
That's a very good question. Because honestly, I always make plans. But I don't always follow them.
Oh, really? That sounds interesting. So you're one of those people who say, this weekend will be productive, right?
Exactly! That's me! Every Friday I say, tomorrow I will wake up early, do something useful. But then Saturday comes, and everything changes.
That's so real. I think many people do the same. We have good intentions, but weekends feel different.
Oh, yes! That happens all the time. And honestly, I have a really funny story about that. It actually happened last weekend.
Oh, really? Now I'm excited. Come on, Alex, you have to tell us. Dear listeners, I think this is going to be interesting.
All right, listen to this. Last weekend, I made a perfect plan. I told myself, this weekend will be different. I will wake up early, go for a run, and do something useful.
Wow, that sounds like a great plan. Very organised. So, did you actually do it?
Not even close. My alarm rang at 7 a.m. and I looked at it and said, no, not today. And I went back to sleep.
Oh no! So the plan failed at the very beginning.
Exactly. I woke up again at 11 a.m. And I said, okay, it's fine. I can still be productive.
Okay. So, what did you do next?
Well, instead of going for a run, I ordered pizza. And I said, I'll just relax for a little.
Of course. Pizza is always more attractive than exercise.
Exactly. And then I said, I'll watch just one video. But you know what happened next?
Let me guess. One video became 10 videos?
Yes, exactly. And suddenly, it was night. So yeah. Perfect plan, zero action.
I really love this story. It's funny, but also very real. I think many people are exactly the same. They start with big plans and then do nothing.
Yes, that's true. But you know what? Sometimes I think it's okay. We work hard during the week, so weekends can be for relaxing too.
Yes, I agree with you. Rest is important. But maybe we should try to do at least one useful thing, right?
Oh yes, that's a great idea. Not a big plan, Just something simple, like going for a walk or learning a few new English words.
All right, dear listeners, now it's your turn again. We want you to join this conversation. So here's something fun for you. Think about your next weekend. What is one thing you really want to do? Come on, say it in English. Say it out loud if you can.
Yes, don't be shy. You can say something simple like, "This weekend, I will relax." Or, "I will go out with my friends." That's perfect.
Exactly. You don't need perfect English. Just practice, little by little, and you will improve.
Oh yes, absolutely. Confidence is more important than perfection. Just speak and enjoy the process.
And remember, learning English doesn't have to be boring. You can learn while having fun, just like in this conversation.
Yes, learning English and talking about pizza. That's the best combination.
Exactly. But next time, Alex, maybe less pizza and more action.
Okay. I'll try, but no promises. Weekends are very powerful.
That's true. But step by step, small changes can make a big difference.
All right, everyone. One last question before we finish. Be honest with us. Do you really follow your weekend plans? Or do you change everything like me? Tell us in the comments.
Yes, we'd love to hear from you. And don't forget, try to write your answer in English.
All right, everyone. We hope you enjoyed this conversation. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and support us. Keep practicing, keep learning, and most importantly, have fun. Take care, and we'll see you in the next conversation.